The ants and grasshopper. During summer in a forest far away, there was a family of ants who were so diligent at work. Every day they paid in installment to collect food little by little to fill the barn. This was done by the family, considering that winter would soon be coming. In that season, they will not be able to do anything. Therefore, everything must be prepared from now. The weather was so hot that they did not deter them in the slightest. Although sometimes the things they carry are too heavy and overwhelmed, but they do it sincerely and happily. They brought whatever they could later use as food supplies. Examples include dry fruit or seeds that have fallen from trees. Then one day there was an ant who was left behind from his party. He felt overwhelmed because he carried a seed bigger than himself. With great difficulty, he carried the seeds so he could reach their destination. Not long after, the ant met a grasshopper who was enjoying the summer. He played his violin while singing summer songs of joy. Seeing the ant who looked tired, the grasshopper greeted him. "Hi ants, what are you doing? Look, today is very bright. Come on, just play with me. We have to enjoy life," he said to the ant. Before answering his question, the ant put down the food he was carrying and started in disbelief. "I'm gathering groceries in preparation for winter. You didn't do it either," he snapped. "Why now, brother? Anyway, right? The winter is still long. Look, I have a lot of food here, and this will not run out quickly," he replied while pulling down and then chewing the grass around him. "Aren't you afraid that in winter you will starve?" asked the ant again. "That can be talked later. After all, it's still summer. There are still plenty of food supplies," he replied. Not wanting to waste any more time, the ant then prepared to continue its journey to the barn. However, he had a hard time putting back all food he was carrying. He then asked the grasshopper to help put it on his back. However, the animal's answer in green was really displeasing. "Grasshopper, will you help me put it on in my back?" she asked. "Gosh, artists and singers like me shouldn't lift heavy things," replied the grasshopper. "But because I'm being kind, I'll help you," he continued. After saying thank you, the ant then continued his journey and caught up with other friends. They turned today, mountains to mount. Now it was autumn, and the ants were getting more and more active. The reason is winter will soon arrive. They have to make sure that there will be enough food storage for all residents. Unlike the ants, the grasshopper was still lazing around. Despite seeing how active the ants were, his heart not knocked over to do the same. He continues have fun, play his violin while singing. Finally, winter arrived. The ants who had prepared everything could calmly take refuge in their nest. They don't have to bother looking for food because everything is readily available. Meanwhile, in another place, the grasshopper started frantically. the food supply is running out. And he also couldn't find food because all the land covered with snow. For days, the grasshopper can only stay quiet in its nest. He was not only hungry but also cold. If it continued like this, he might starve to death because he could not stand it anymore. Finally, he decided to go out to find food. Grasshoppers walked around aimlessly. He just wanted to find a little food to fill his hungry stomach. He also was not strong enough to walk any longer if it's like this. Then he regrets why not heeding the ant's advice to hoard food. Until then, he stood in a nest. Regardless of his embarrassment, he knocked on the door of the nest to ask for some food. When the door opened, he was surprised to find the ant who opened it. Despite the immense embarrassment, filling his stomach was more important now. He then asked for help from the ant to give him a little food. "Why are you asking me for food? Did you not prepare any food during the summer?" asked the ant. However, the grasshopper was silent. With his condition like that, he was no longer focused to talk to. The ant actually wants to refuse to provide assistance. His intention is to teach him a lesson so as not to be lazy, but seeing the condition of the grasshoppers, he can bear it. Finally, he allowed the grasshoppers to enter his house. He also gave a little food for him. After that, the grasshoppers promised to be even more diligent so that this incident would not happen again.